Hey, Steve Gamache here with another Chef Knives to Go quick look product review. And what we're looking at this time is the Microbrite Plus 60 by 120 power lighted pocket microscope. So quite a mouthful there, but here's the box. Just kind of give you a quick look at some of the pictures here. But so this uses one AA battery, which is not included. But what's nice about that is AA is sometimes easier to find than the AAA. So we only need one battery in there. It does 60 power to 120 power. It's got a nice LED light that's built in that works quite well. Picture on the other side of the box. So let's take a look at it. I would love to be able to kind of show you through there, but it's got very close eye relief and I can't really do that. So the battery compartment is right here. So it just slides down. You got one AA battery that you put in there. Again, it does not come with one. You'll need to put one of those in there. Snap shut. There's a dial right here for the power. So this is all the way to the 120 mark and back out to 60. This is your focus mechanism. And let's see, the power button, the LED button is right here. So when you hit that, it turns on. So the LED comes in from this angle right here. If you're looking at it, it comes in at this angle. When you do look through this, it doesn't have a lot of eye relief, which means you've got to hold your eye pretty close. So glasses, you'll have to get really right up on there to get the full view of it. So it's not like a pair of binoculars or something where you're going to have a little bit of eye relief there that you can wiggle, or a rifle scope or something. So you've got to get pretty much right up on it. I thought the picture was pretty clear. I think it works a little better at lower power. But obviously the higher power you go, the more sensitive it is and the more difficult it is to keep focus. But it has a pretty wide range on the focus. I was using it with glasses and then took my glasses off, and I don't see that well without glasses. So it had plenty of diopter adjustment or focus adjustment, so I could use it without my glasses on. Obviously contacts, and I used it with that too. So it'll accommodate quite a wide range on the focus for with or without glasses, with or without contacts, etc., etc. The image is shouldn't say upside down, but it's backwards and reversed. So it front to back, top to bottom is backwards because it doesn't have a reflector in there like a prism to flip the image back to normal. So you'll be moving this way kind of backwards and that way backwards when you're looking through it. It takes a bit of adjustment to do that, but it's really not too bad. It does work really well. You can just lay it flat on a surface. You've got this built-in distance component right here, and so you can just lay it flat on the surface, and then you can adjust your focus to there, and it works really, I think, pretty well. So I was able to look at some edges on some knives. It works nice if you put it flat on the knife blade or put the knife blade on a surface and then lay it on top of that to kind of stabilize everything. But I thought it worked pretty good. It's easier to use actually than some of the things I've done or used in terms of magnification. So almost wish it had maybe 30 power to 90, but out at 60, you can see a lot. If you want to go further, of course, you can do that. So pretty neat little product. It's not too expensive, and I think it works quite well. So I might be keeping this one so I can take a close look at my edges. So back it down here a little bit. So this is the Microbrite Plus 60 120 power LED lighted pocket microscope.